Welcome to VAK's lecture. In this video, we are going to discuss about the network components. Network components in the sense physical components of a computer network. Internet is a network of computing devices allowing us to send messages, voice calls, video calls, online shopping, etc. But what are the physical components of a computer network which are helping us to perform all these activities? The physical components that you will find in a typical computer network includes endpoints. What are called endpoints? Endpoints include personal computers, phones, tablets, printers, servers for any other device that users use. Servers are the data centers used to sort it out that can be shared with other devices. That is, servers provide information while other devices retrieve information. So, endpoints can either retrieve or provide the information. Next physical component is NIC, Network Interface Card. For example, to retrieve the information of your Facebook account from the Facebook server, you will type www.facebook.com in your web browser. This request is first converted into a format which can reach facebook.com server. The device which carries out this conversion process is called Network Interface Card. Port to which connect a LAN cable in your computer is embedded in Network Interface Card. All endpoints are having a Network Interface Card either wired or wireless. Network Interface Card of an endpoint can convert data to electrical signal, light signal or radio signal. The third network component is network medium. Network media provides means through which data from NIC of one device is transmitted to NIC of another device. And it can be LAN cable for transmitting electrical signals, optical fiber for transmitting light signals, or air in the case of radio signals. Connectors are the fourth network component. LAN cables are connected to network interface cards of computers using RJ45 connectors. So, connectors provide connection points for a network medium. All devices in internet are connected to each other using connectors and network medium. In local area network, multiple devices are connected to each other using another network component called switch. A network switch is a multi-port device which assures data sent will go to the right destination within the LAN. A SOHO network or small office home office network typically uses a single network switch to connect multiple devices. To access internet, network switch is further connected to a device called the router. Internet consists of a large number of interconnected routers, and all of these routers perform two basic functions. First one is connecting a different networks and the second one is providing best path to access the requested contents. So, a typical computer network include endpoints, network interface cards, network media, connectors, switches, and routers as physical components of computer network. So all these are about physical components of computer network. If you got to learn anything from this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more new updates. Thank you.